So in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys this bold unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Jumwigs. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, divas, without further ado, if you guys want all the details and the specs on this bold wig, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Jumwigs. I have this unit in mint green, and here I'm just unboxing all the things that come. So it does come with a pamphlet, as well as a wig cap, a brush, as well as elastic band, and of course it does come with this beautiful mint green unit. So here is how it looks. It does have a very soft texture that does mimic human hair, and it is like just so beautiful. So here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly, meaning it can fit large and small heads. It does come with 3 combs in the front and no combs in the back, and it does have an adjustable strap. And it also has only about maybe like 1 to 2 inches of parting area. So here's how the unit looks straight on to my head. And on me, this unit does fall at maybe about a 22 to 24 inch, I would say, and I am 5'2", in case you want to use that for reference. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit of shedding, which is because of the color, and I did not experience much tangling, if any at all. I don't know what the formula is for their units, but it does not have tangling, which is a miracle for a synthetic unit. But anywho, I'm just going to go ahead and make this unit work for me, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this bold wig, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay, divas, so first to start off, I have worked with this company before. As you guys know, I did like an electric blue wig, and if you guys haven't seen that, I'll try to remember to leave it in the description box below. One thing I do want to say about this company is that they have high quality synthetic wigs. So the first and foremost, like the best thing about this wig is that there is minimal shedding and tangling with this wig. Like, that's one thing I love about their wigs. Their wigs feel so soft, and then they don't like shed and tangle. This one did shed a little bit, but it's because it is a lighter color, but it does not like tangle, and the shedding is very minimal. But yeah, I really do love the quality of their units. This one didn't come with that much parting space, which I'm not too mad about, because I did figure out a way to like manipulate my wig. As you guys can see, like I have it on like a regular frontal, and you're not able to like see my sides, or at least I hope you can. I did figure out some little way. I am going to try it a couple more times, and if it works out, then I am going to go ahead and share with you guys with the low hairline like me how I did that. But anyways, the hairline on this unit is not bad, which I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to tell anyways, because the color is like so bright. I do have a little bit of makeup on like the hairline, and I just could not help that. That's why I don't like when it doesn't come with roots. But however, I feel like this is a really fun unit. Like, if you have, for me, this would be like a photo shoot hair or something like that, or a day that I'm just feeling very bold, or if I'm going to a special event, I would definitely wear something like this. So yeah, this wig is cute. I love the texture and the quality and everything. It's nice. I absolutely love their synthetic units. I am blown away by them, by their good quality and everything. I do also like these waves that they put in there as well. They're just so pretty. Even though I've brushed through them, they're still very pretty. And I do also like the length. It's about like maybe like 24 to 26 inches on me. So yeah, I really do like it. I also like the density. It's full, but it's not like super full to the point where it's like girl, like, you know, like it's clockable, that is a synthetic wig. So I do really like that. So while I really do like this wig, the only thing that I feel like is like a problem with this wig is the fact that it does not have parting space. Like if it had more parting space, this wig would be perfect, because I would have did like a middle part or a cute like deep side part. That's what I was planning to do with the unit, but I didn't know that it did not have that much parting space, which they picked out the wig for me and they were like, hey, slay this. So but I just feel like if it had like a little bit more parting, it would have been a lot better. But however, this is still a really nice unit. You can do like the flip over method with it. It is still a good unit, and you guys know like my hairline situation, so that's why I was like, you know, treading lightly. I'm trying to figure out how to slay these wigs with the frontal parts, because yeah. But anyways, the only con that I had was the fact that it does not have parting. I think that that would really improve this unit. Like that would really make it just like absolutely perfect. But other than that, this unit is really nice and I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, divas, if you guys are interested, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.